Sana is a professional Foley artist, which means she makes sounds for movies and TV. She recreates sounds that couldn't be recorded on set or creates them from scratch for animated projects.
I saw Foley artists working, I was immediately drawn to it. But contrary to what I thought, it was very challenging to learn. But I think it was worth it. It's a fun job.
Sana shares all of her work on TikTok, where it has gone viral. She's worked on shows like Game of Thrones and Avatar: The Last Airbender.
For me, the hardest sound I've made so far was a building exploding. We had to do like all these layers of like the tiles coming out of the roof, the rocks and debris falling everywhere, wood, stucco. It took us 8 hours to do like 1 minute of footage.
Man, that is crazy how she uses everything to make the sound except the thing. Like, hey, we need a lemon sound. I'm gonna use this hatchet and this sponge.
So bones breaking is actually just celery being chopped in half. Hollywood is never what it seems.
Silent props. The sound mixer does not like it when your props make too much noise. So when you're trying to talk and they're wrestling and unpacking a grocery bag, they don't like that. So there's a company that makes vinyl grocery bags. Cuts the sound down by like 90%.
Scott is a prop master who's worked on Friday Night Lights and Pitch Perfect.
If you're filming a bar scene and people are trying to talk while there's pool playing in the background, we painted racquetballs. Much better. The need for those come about because the sound department needs to get a clean track of the actor. The costume designer will see that their shoes that they gave an actor are too loud. They'll put pads on the bottom of them, of the high heels.
He is sharing all the secrets from behind the scenes.
Retractable props. But the needle goes into the syringe. There's a tube with a spring in it, so that makes the needle pop right back up. Doesn't hurt a bit.
I could definitely go for having my own retractable ice pick because I would love to fake my own death in our living room just for dramatic effect.
And don't believe everything you see on TV.
Rubber glass. So if you're watching a fight scene in a movie and people are rolling around on the ground, there's broken glass, this is what you're seeing. Looks just like a little broken shard of glass.
You watch action scenes and people go through glass, you're like, are they wearing special clothes or does that person have skin that doesn't rip?
I've always been curious in action movies about swords. Are those real swords or they got fake silent swords?
We had actors that got captured every episode. So every episode we had to give them new weapons. Swords, bows and arrows and all that.
I also dabble in prop making. In fact, today I made a half man. As you can see here, I need to make it look like this person was stuck somewhere. So I just put towels in jeans, and boom. Scott, I'm coming for your job.